you just glossy, yeah, you're trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall off. If you tell me that you want it, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a pretty big Temu haul that came in, and I'm super excited about this one because, oh my god, wait till you see all the cool stuff I found. They have tons of stuff, super affordable prices. So Temu's kind of like an Amazon. It is an Asian-based site, and their shipping took about 2 weeks to get to me. And everything is a lot cheaper than Amazon. So it's like a cheaper version of Amazon, but like wait till you hear the prices of all this stuff. Like I got everything at like a really good discount. And yeah, I'm super excited because they have all types of stuff. They have like men's clothing, women's clothing, jewelry, home decor, kitchen gadgets, all types, anything you could possibly need, like they have them on there. So make sure to check them out. I'll go ahead and link put my link in the description box for you. With my link and the code that I'm going to put around here, you can get 30% off your first order with Temu, which is really good because they already have so many discounts. So that extra 30% is like super helpful. Let me go ahead and jump into this and show you everything that I got. And this is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. And yeah, I'm just so excited to share with you. Okay, so the first item that I got is a dupe for the Miss Dior perfume, and this one is called Miss Sweet. This was $11.69, and it is identical to the Miss Dior. It smells identical. They even got the bottle like almost identical to it. It smells amazing. And the top notes of this one are floral. It's like a romantic floral. The top notes are, let me see here. The top notes for this one are Calabrian, Bergamot, and Peach. Middle notes, Damascus Rose, Peony, and Freesia. And base notes are Patchouli. It smells so good. It's like a very floral, sweet scent. I love sweet perfumes. And I put this on earlier today, and it still smells so good. It's lasted for hours. The dry down, I would say, is a very sweet floral scent, but it smells amazing. And I got this for $11.69. They have a lot of dupes on their website for like expensive perfumes, but they are actually like on point. The next item that I got, let me go into this package. Oh my God, there's so much stuff. Okay. Oh, I'm super excited about these. Okay. I wanted some like comfy sandals to walk around the house with. And these are everywhere. I wanted some pink ones, but the pink ones were out of stock. These are, let's see here. These are the Woman's Super Soft Eva Thick platform slides. It says minimalist and comfortable indoor bathroom non-slip slippers. They have the non-slip at the bottom, and these were $4.98. They look really big because like I got the large ones, like the 9-10 size. They run true to size. I would say they do run true to size, and they're super comfortable. So I love these. Great deal. I was so excited to get these. I've been looking out. The pink ones keep running out of stock, so their pink ones are like their best seller. So the next item I got is, let's see here. This is a bathroom, you know, like where you put like your shampoo, like a bathroom caddy type of thing. But this one you can actually like stick to your wall. Like you could like stick it to your wall in the shower and then just like put all of your like shampoos and conditioner and all that on here. And then I got some extra grippies to like grip it on there. They're like these little sticker command hooks that go there. So I got this, and it's a one-piece wall-mounted bathroom shelf. That's what it is. $3.48. And in the picture, it just looks so cute. And yeah, I'm excited to put that in the bathroom. This is one of the items that this is probably the item I'm most excited about. The box did come kind of messed up. I was pissed when I saw it, but the item itself was not touched. Just the box kind of, I guess maybe while it was in transit, it got a little roughed up. This is a French press, and in the website it did look a little bigger. Maybe I just didn't read the measurements, but this one is a French press. It is 11.8 ounces, and I used it this morning because I love coffee. I'm a coffee fanatic, and it worked. This is probably the best cup of coffee I've ever had, made from this little mini French press. But when I tell you it worked perfectly, and this is good like if it's just you and you just want one cup of coffee, which is what I drink. This worked perfectly. It looks wet because I rinsed it, but it worked perfectly, just like any other regular French press. And I got this French press, I kid you not, $6.69, and it worked so good, so good, and it was the best cup of coffee I've had in forever. So I will link this because I'm obsessed with my little French press. I'm so happy about it. But yeah, so then it gets better. It gets better. Okay. This is very popular on their site. This is a bestseller, another bestseller. When you go on, the boxes came like really roughed up, but when you go on their website, this is typically like on that front page. And what it is a little mini, it's a portable and rechargeable. It says battery juice blender. How cute is this? And it comes with a little USB cord, so you can, this is the cutest little mini blender I've ever seen because I wanted something little to make like little tiny smoothies. Look how cute. And then you just like press it in. Wait, double. Like, how cool is this? And then it has a little, it's portable, so it has like the little thing you can carry. I love it. I love it so much. They had it in different colors too. They have it in like green, purple, I think blue. But oh my God, this little blender, look, guess how much I got this for? I got this little blender for $10.18. Like, this is the cutest little thing ever. And it has a little USB cord. So you could just plug this into your USB. I love this. I'm obsessed. And it works so good. It's like, it's so cute. All right, y'all, I'm like a kid in a candy store at Temu. I just love everything. I open this. I wanted something to put my skincare products, like my immediate skincare products in. So I got this little caddy, this little organizer thing for my desktop, because I like to put the stuff I use in the morning at night just in something reachable. So this was, let's see, it's a one-piece drawer cosmetic storage box, but I figured I could put like my serums and my little creams and stuff here. I'm hoping you guys can see this okay. It's like a light green, and it has like a little drawer, and you can put like makeup, or you can put like your little skincare products. I got it because I want to, oh, I put this wrong in here. I want to put like my little skincare and my little serums in here. It has little compartments, $3.08. So it was a really good deal. Okay. Let me take this stuff out so it's easier. These are more command hooks. Let's see. The command hooks were 79 cents each, by the way, which is for a set of 2. Let's see. So many goodies. I'm so excited. So this is one of my favorite items. So they have dupes for the Pandora bracelets. Like, what? When I saw this, I had to try them. Hopefully they fit. I have not opened them. This is a simple, this one says simple rhinestone beaded bracelet. This was $1.81. So I don't have really high hopes because the price, it's cheaper jewelry, but they are dupes for Pandora bracelets. So let's see what they look like. I don't know if they'll fit. I don't know if they're like plus size friendly, but I guess we'll find out. Okay. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is adorable. And then it has like the little charms, just like the Pandora, and you can add charms to it. Their website does sell charms. So I thought that was really cool that they have all these little charms. There's a little charm I want to get. Probably my next order. I have a big jewelry order that I'm placing soon. Just jewelry. And they have a little coffee charm that was the cutest thing ever. So I was able to get it on, and yes, they are also plus size friendly. They did fit my wrist. I mean, how cute is this? And they have all the little charms. I just thought it was so cute, and you could add more charms to this. So I got this for $1.81. So it was super, super cute. And then I also got one in rose gold. Similar, it's almost the same style, except just rose gold and different little charms. But look how cute this one is. Oh my God, this one's so pretty. This one has like little hearts. Oh, it's so cute. It looks smaller, but it has a little chain, like an extension thing here. And this one was, let me see how much this little rose gold one was, but look how cute. Oh my God, these are so adorable. I'm definitely going to get more of these because they're dupes for the Pandora bracelet. And that one was this one was $2.26. This is so adorable. It's rose gold. My camera might not be doing this justice, but it is adorable. So I'm very happy with these. I'm so happy with these. Okay, I got this set of 7 scrunchies, because I wanted like little scrunchies to pick my hair up. And these are like just super soft, light brown, tan colors, just like very, very soft and fuzzy. I got these for $1.99 for this set. So they're really nice for all of these for $1.99. Okay, the next thing I got was this set of sunglasses because I really needed some shades. I love these. I love these. Wait till you see. These shades were $1.80. Like, look at them. Look how nice they are. They are so nice. They almost have like a purple tint to them. And the lens, look how pretty. And these were $1.80. They just look they look a lot more expensive than they actually are. So I'm loving these. Perfect for summer. And they had different colors. They had like blue ones and purple and just all types of different colors, but I love the black ones. They're so nice. And the lens does have a bit of a purple tint, so I thought that was really cool. So for $1.81, you can't beat that. And the quality feels really nice on these too. Okay, so I got this set. This looks a lot bigger on the website. I'm not even going to front. But I was like, why is this so small? But I guess they are smaller. This is a set of 5-piece lip gloss gift set. And it's a velvet matte color. They're like matte. But there's about, how many are these? Oh, it's 5 pieces. And they have really pretty colors. I thought this was really nice. Let me show you at least a few of them. So it's like a dark, kind of like a dark mauve burgundy color. I'm not going to swatch these because these are like lip stains. So my hand is going to get stained with them really bad. And we're not trying to do that right now. But I'll do the makeup stuff in another video. Because I'm going to do like a full face of Temu makeup in another video. I love this color. It's like a dark brown. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's see. And then this is like a red, like a very pretty red. Yeah, these are beautiful colors though for the price. And this was $2.04 for the set of 5 lip glosses. Just kind of like a orangey. This is really pretty. And then this one is a brighter red. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love doing like a red lip, so I'm excited to try these out. So make sure you follow me because I'm going to be making a lot of Temu videos, but I'll be making like a full face of Temu soon. Pretty soon. Okay, so I think they were trying to imitate like, this is like a dupe for Kylie Cosmetics. It's a Flawless Loose Powder. And I got this powder for $3.44 in the color Natural. So it's like a beigey color. And it comes with a little powder puff. It's real nice. It's just your normal little powder for like baking. I don't really bake, but I do put, you know, under my eye a little bit like this. But I'm not a big person to bake because I crease easily. Since I have like under eye wrinkles, I don't really like to bake like that. But it's just like a natural face powder. And hold on. And then you can just go in and just like kind of take it out. But yeah, it's really nice. Like if you do bake, it's perfect for that. So this was $3.44. And it's the name says Kilfie. I think they were trying to put Kylie imitation, but it works. It's a good little powder, so I'm not complaining. All right, so then I got these little hoop earrings. These hoop earrings are really pretty. They are simple golden big circle hoop earrings for $1.52. So I put them on so you can see how pretty they are. And I got these literally for $1.52. So yeah, I think they're really nice, really delicate. They're really, really pretty, worth the price. All right, let me see. I think that might be it. I also I got two toys for my grandson, but I already gave him the toys. So I got this little, let me see if I can click on it and show you what I got him. This little set, it is a children's bowling ball toy gift set. It is like, it has like the little bowling pins and the little bowling balls for $5.68. I got him this, but he's already playing with it, so I didn't want to take it away just for the haul. But it's really, really cute, and it's like plastic for $5.68. And then I got him one of these because he's teething, and this was $2.38. A fidget toy that it has like numbers and babies like to chew on them and stuff, but I got him this little fidget toy that was $2.38. So yeah, I'm super excited. And then I got my son, I already gave him they have 10 pairs of socks. I got him two sets of socks, and 5 pairs were 48 cents, and they were like men's ankle socks. So I got him this, but I got him 10 pairs, so it ended up being like $1, literally $1 for 10 pairs of socks. So yeah, he got these little black ankle socks, but I did give him those already as well, and I'm not gonna take it away just for a haul. But I did buy some nail glue, and so let me show you the nails that I got. I had them in my previous haul, but I want to show them again because I just love them so much. So they do have press-on nails, and I got these nails for like $2 or less, but I'm obsessed with these nails. Look how pretty they are, butterfly, and they're gorgeous. And let me show you the other ones. So I had also gotten these nails in my previous haul. Let me see, hopefully you guys can see these. They're so pretty. And there's one more, but I don't know where that one is. But look how gorgeous these nails are. And these were less than $2 each, or like $2.50 or less. And then I had forgotten to buy nail glue because I don't like press-on nails. I like to put actual glue. So I got this 5-piece set of nail glue for, let's see how much this was, $1.79 for all 5 of them. So that's definitely worth it if you like to do the fake nails. They have really, really pretty ones on their site. They have so many different ones. Like, I'm so obsessed. And so I got that. And then I did get a lot of makeup in my previous haul, but this one was more just like random stuff, not just makeup. But I will be doing like a full face of Temu makeup just so you guys can see how everything looks. And probably maybe my next video. But I hope you guys, I think that it was everything for this haul. So let me know in the comments below which item you love the most. I think for me, this is probably the one I'm going to get the most value from because my little French press, like, it just makes me so happy just to look at him. Like, I don't know what it was $6, so worth it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which item you love the most. And I would say overall, everything was really good quality, and everything, you know, Temu is legitimate, and everything arrived here within 2 weeks from placing my order. And I would just say their packaging might need a little work because, you know, that box came a little beat up. But other than that, I really had no issues with my order. Everything came in. There was no items missing. Everything was super affordable. And I also had a 30% discount on top of that. So make sure to check out Temu. I'll go ahead and put my code in the description box again, and I'll link it here somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.